How to moisture detailed in charging port on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, hold phone and go to app and go back, refresh phone. So first of all, just click and hold power button and volume down button at the time and power off phone. So after power off, you will see your problem is solved. So you will see. So if it's still not solved, so clean phone with the help of tissue paper, and after cleaning, so shake phone 1 to 3 seconds. After shaking, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so go to settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on software update. So you will check your software update is latest. So if it's not latest, update your software latest. After update software, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, again click on settings app and click on general management. Now here's a click on reset. Click on reset all setting. So after click on reset all setting, it's just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So after the process, insert power cable. You will see problem is solved. So that's how you can moisture detailed in charging port on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.